Welcome to our channel. YouTube TV licensing playback errors occur when content restrictions prevent viewing. Follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue. Step 1. Check if you're trying to watch content outside your designated home area. YouTube TV restricts streaming based on your registered location. Step 2. Open YouTube TV settings and verify your current home area. Update it if you've recently moved to a new location. Step 3. Ensure you're using an allowed device for YouTube TV streaming. Some content may have restrictions on certain devices or browsers. Step 4. Clear your browser cache and cookies if using YouTube TV on a web browser. This can resolve licensing verification issues. Step 5. Update the YouTube TV app to the latest version if using a mobile device or streaming box. Outdated apps may have licensing compatibility problems. Step 6. Restart your device completely to refresh the connection and clear any temporary system issues. Step 7. Check if the content has specific geographic restrictions by looking for notes in the program description or error message. Step 8. Verify that your YouTube TV subscription includes access to the channel you're trying to watch. Some channels require additional add-ons. Step 9. Try accessing the content from a different device to determine if the issue is device-specific or account-related. Step 10. Contact YouTube TV support if the problem persists, providing them with the specific error code displayed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.